Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's Explainer. Today, we are heading out on a really exciting journey of discovery to uncover the secrets of an invisible friend that is likely living right inside the devices you use every single day. We're going to break down some super fascinating concepts using simple, everyday examples. And I promise you, by the end of this, you are going to look at your phones and computers in a completely new way.
Okay, let's dive into this. I want you to close your eyes for just a second. Imagine having a friend who is always awake, literally a friend who never sleeps. Someone who can answer any question you have in a matter of seconds, who instantly recognizes faces in a massive crowd, translates entirely different languages right on the spot, and can even write incredible stories for you. I mean, wouldn't that be absolutely amazing? It sounds like something straight out of a comic book or a fairy tale, right? Well, the truth is, this companion isn't magic at all. It is actually a deeply fascinating technology called artificial intelligence, or AI for short. Section 1. Meet your invisible friend. The magic behind the screen. Section 2. What is AI exactly? The brain inside the machine.
So, how does it actually work? Well, here is our core definition. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the ability of a computer or a machine to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. Let's break that down a bit. Usually, a machine just does exactly what you tell it to do, right? Like a toaster popping up red when the timer goes off. But AI is totally different. It's all about teaching machines to actually think and learn, just like you and I do.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is the specific human-like tasks that AI can now accomplish. Look at this list. AI is actually capable of learning new things over time. It can use reasoning and problem-solving to figure out puzzles. It is understanding language so it can communicate with us. It's recognizing images so it knows exactly what it's looking at. And it's even making decisions based on what it sees and learns. These are things that until recently literally only a human brain could do.
So, the absolutely crucial point here is this. The core goal of AI is simply giving machines the ability to mimic human thought and learning. We are teaching them to look at the world, understand it, and make smart choices, just like humans do every single day. Section 3. AI in your daily life. Everyday magic in your pocket.
Now, you might be thinking this sounds like a sci-fi movie set way in the future, but let's look at some super relatable daily examples of everyday AI. Number 1. You know when you pick up your smartphone and it instantly unlocks just by looking at you? That's face unlock. And yep, that is AI identifying your specific face. Number 2, when you finish a YouTube video and it perfectly suggests another video you'd really like, that's AI working in the background, learning what you enjoy. And number 3, which is just incredibly helpful, when you are in the car and Google Maps suddenly updates to find the fastest route to avoid a giant traffic jam, that is AI acting as your brilliant little guide, calculating the best path in real time.
Section 4. Calculator versus AI. Fixed rules versus learning patterns.
And this brilliantly illustrates the difference between how traditional machines work and how AI learns. To really understand how special this is, think of a traditional machine, like a standard calculator. A calculator follows fixed, rigid rules. If you type in 2 plus 2, it's always going to equal 4. It doesn't learn, it just executes a command. But AI learns from data, very much like how human learning works. Think about it. If you touch a hot stove, you learn a pattern. Hot things hurt, so you don't do it again. Well, AI learns from patterns in a very similar way. Instead of just doing math, AI might notice a pattern in your life. It might say, hey, I noticed from your data that you usually order pizza on Friday evenings. Would you like me to order that for you again? That is human-like intelligence based on learning patterns, rather than just following a strict rulebook.
Section 5. AI Technology Pop Quiz. Let's test your knowledge. All right, let's test what you've discovered so far. Here's your question, and I want you to shout out your guesses. Which of the following is an example of AI? Is it A, a notebook, B, face unlock on a smartphone, C, a pencil, or D, a ruler? Think about which one of these actually learns and recognizes patterns. And the answer is B, face unlock on your smartphone. Amazing job, everyone. A notebook, a pencil, and a ruler are great tools for sure, but they don't have the ability to learn or perform tasks that require human intelligence. You are really getting the hang of this. Section 6. The future of AI. 70 years in the making. Okay, here is a truly surprising fact. The world's very first AI program was created nearly 70 years ago. Seriously, 70 years. That was long, long before smartphones or modern computers even existed. Scientists have literally been working on building this invisible friend for generations.
Let's move to Scyway and see how this builds into today. Because of those 70 years of hard work, today's AI has evolved from doing very simple tasks into something truly breathtaking. Today, AI can actually generate original paintings, it can create beautiful music, it can make fully animated videos from scratch, and perhaps most importantly, it is even helping scientists analyze data to discover new medicines to keep people healthy. It has become a powerhouse tool for creativity and science. So as we wrap up today's explainer, I want to leave you with a challenge. Based on what we just learned, can you list the 3 new ways AI is being used today to create art and media? Remember, generating paintings, creating music, and making videos. Think about all the possibilities that opens up. If AI went from a simple calculator to a creative artist in 70 years, what impossible things will your invisible friend be able to do by the time you're an adult? Keep exploring, keep asking questions, and I will see you in our next explainer.